It's as easy to install SpaceGrid II On Bar as it is to enjoy the benefits this new pusher display system brings. First, you'll be inserting the brackets into each end of the bar. Look for the threaded hole on the bottom of the bracket. Match the hole with the opening in the bottom of the bar. Insert a retaining screw through the opening and thread it into the bar bracket just short of snug to allow the bracket to slide. You're now ready to install the bar assembly into the shelf slots. It's best to begin your bar installation at the lowest position in the display and work up. After attaching the brackets, use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the retaining screws. Attach a SpaceGrid II On Bar tray and insert a package to determine the position of the next row. Repeat the process until the required number of bars are in place. Install the SpaceGrid II On Bar trays, adjusting the widths as you go along to fit the packages. With the revolutionary SpaceGrid II On Bar, it takes just minutes to transform static peg and shelf displays into amazing, attractive, and functional pusher tray displays.